Hey everybody, greetings from the channel again. Today we'll examine the Nothing Phone 1, one of the year's most talked about phones. This phone is an entire experience rather than just a technological device. The Nothing Phone 1 seems unique, even if there are a lot of smartphones vying to be the next great thing. It has a distinct charm, a novel design, and a philosophy that seems more genuine and human. Stay tuned because the Nothing Phone 1 has a lot to offer those who are sick of the same old smartphone designs and want something that seems like it was designed to stand out. Since the design is what really gets people talking, let's start there. There isn't another phone that looks like the Nothing Phone 1. Its glass back displays its internal parts, yet this isn't merely for show. These LED lights, known as the Glyph Interface, are part of its design and change color based on calls, notifications, or even simple charging. Every element of this phone has been thoughtfully designed to create a statement, making it resemble a work of art. It feels special to hold it in your palm. It has a flat, comfy and natural feeling design and is lightweight. Nothing clearly took great care to create a phone that is both aesthetically pleasing and useful. Let's now discuss the display. The 6.55-inch OLED screen of the Nothing Phone 1 features a refresh rate of 120 Hz. And it's gorgeous, I must say. The display is incredibly sharp. And the colors are rich and vivid. Playing games and watching films is a great pleasure because of the amazing contrast and true blacks. Whether you're perusing the web, playing games, or scrolling through social media, the 120 Hz refresh rate makes everything feel very fluid. It's the type of screen that captivates you and keeps you using the phone. Nothing has truly nailed it here for a mid-range phone. Performance-wise, the Nothing Phone 1 is powered by a Snapdragon 778G processor with either 8GB or 12GB of RAM. Even if it's not the best flagship CPU, it's more than sufficient for daily use. Apps launch quickly, multitasking is seamless, and gaming is lag-free. There is also the software. With its Nothing OS, Nothing has produced this simple, minimalist UI. Like pure Android, it is simple and free of bloatware, which is a welcome change. Everything seems well designed and functions flawlessly. In addition, they have guaranteed frequent software updates, which is really beneficial if you want long-term dependability. Let's discuss the camera. A 50MP primary sensor and a 50MP ultra-wide sensor make up the dual camera configuration of the Nothing Phone 1. It may seem easy, but believe me, the outcomes are remarkable. The images appear sharp, realistic, full of lifelike colors in well-lit environments. The ultra-wide captures a lot of images without distortion, making it ideal for group and landscape photography. It is possible to record videos in 4K and the quality is still good. Even in low light, the phone performs admirably, displaying distinct details and producing little noise. The camera feels well beyond its price range for a mid-range smartphone, offering you a lot of options for both shooting and video. With moderate use, the 4500 mAh battery of the Nothing Phone 1 easily lasts an entire day. The battery on this phone is reliable whether you're texting, viewing videos, or playing games. Additionally, it supports 33W quick charging when the time comes to charge. It's not the fastest on the market, but it's convenient because it returns you to approximately 50% in about 30 minutes. Additionally, the Nothing Phone 1 features wireless charging, which is uncommon for a device in this budget level. This feature adds to the phone's sense of luxury and functionality. So what is the Nothing Phone 1's verdict? I believe it's safe to say that this phone is a statement rather than just another smartphone. The Nothing Phone 1 defies convention by being unique, daring, and demonstrating that a phone can be more than simply its specifications in a world when everything seems to be the same. It is unique, refreshing, and made for those who prefer a somewhat more individualized tech experience. The Nothing Phone 1 might be the ideal choice for you if you appreciate design and originality and want a phone that excites you each time you pick it up. It's an experience rather than merely a gadget. Many thanks. Please remember to subscribe for future reviews like this one and give this one a thumbs up if it was helpful. Which aspect of the Nothing Phone 1 most appeals to you? Share your thoughts in the comments section. I would love to know what you think. I'll see you in the next video. And until then, keep being amazing.